So yo guys, we're here in Blind Shot. This game is so fun. This is a popular game. Some content creator love this game and me too. I'm not a content creator, but if I have a 1k or 100k subscriber, I'm content creator. I don't know how to play this game, but I know this game. So classic. I will pick classic. So I will direct the laser into the player. I want to reveal everyone, but I don't have a Robux. Please give me Robux, please. Here. Oh, I'll direct the bacon. Look. Oh, wrong. I missed. Sorry. I miss. Bro. Bro, I killed someone. Oh, this space is so hard. I think here. Yep. Bro, I died. Bro. So this is our part 1. So bye bye guys. Bye bye.